Hello guys and welcome back to Almost Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix the PS4 corrupted data error. And yeah, so let's get started. So the first thing you guys can do is head over to settings. From settings you can go to storage, from storage you can go to system storage, and then from system storage you can go to saved data. Now from saved data, what you are going to do is you're going to look for the game you are having this problem with. So for example, if I was having this problem with, let's just say Detroit Become Human, I'm going to click on it. And then whatever these files you see, if any of them says corrupted, what you're going to do is you're going to click on the options button on your controller and you're simply going to delete them. And yeah, so that is how you can delete them. Now, once this does get deleted, you can go back and then you can check to see if the error code has been fixed by going to the game. However, if the error still persists, the second method you guys can do is put your PS4 into safe mode. And if you don't know, don't worry, I'll show you in this video. So the first thing you can do is simply turn off your PS4 and you're going to wait for it to completely shut off. So you're going to wait for the blinking light over here to like completely shut off and turn off. So yeah, once that happens, we can begin the next step. So whenever it does turn off, which in order to put your PS4 into safe mode, what we're going to do is we're going to hold the power button for about 6 to 8 seconds. We still have to wait for this to turn. Okay, now that it's turned off, we can begin. So we have to hold the power button for about 6 to 8 seconds, and we're going to hear 2 beeps. So yeah, so that's the first beep. And then that's the second beep. Now, once the second beep has finished, you guys are also going to need a USB cable or just your PS4 charger, basically. And yeah. Now, once this pops up, the safe mode screen pops up, you're going to connect your charger. You're going to hold on the power button, and you're going to use the D-pad because the analog sticks do not work. So anyways, yeah, so from here, what we're going to do is we're going to go to rebuild database because there is a chance that your database has been corrupted. And doing this will fix that corruption. It will like basically cleanse it and it will fix it. However, it might take a few hours to even a few minutes. It basically just depends on when was the last time you did this. So yeah. Anyways, once you're done with that, you can hit on restart PS4, and then after that, the error code should be fixed and you guys should be good to go. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.